Hello everyone, welcome to Aditya classes. Today let's learn about language functions in English grammar. The questions goes like this. You find a conversation and the conversation is followed by four options. You need to select the language function of the underlined sentence. Dhanush, hello Sanjana, can I help you? Sanjana, could you lend me some money? So you need to choose the correct option for the underlined sentence, that is, could you lend me some money? The language function of could you lend me some money? What's your answer? To inform, to describe, to offer, to request. You have 5 seconds to answer. Yes. Well, the answer is to request. Next conversation. Gopal, why don't you borrow Arjun's car? Radha, his car is not in a good condition. What is the language function of his car is not in a good condition? The options are to offer, to explain, to advise, and to instruct. So you choose your answer. Well, my answer is to explain. Let's go to next conversation. Ranjan, are we going now? Sonali, yes. Don't forget to take your bag. What is the language function of don't forget to take your bag? The options are to instruct, to remind, to announce, to inform. Choose your option. Well, the correct answer is to remind. Next conversation. Raman, our team played badly. Hani replied, you messed up. You didn't play well. The language function of you didn't play well. To advise, to blame, to warn, to protest. Yes. Select your option. My option is to blame. Next conversation. Raman, what shall we do this Sunday? Khushi, why don't we go on a picnic? The language function of why don't we go on a picnic? The options are to blame, to welcome, to praise, to suggest, to advise. Your answer. Here we go. The correct answer is to suggest. Next conversation. Suman, how dare you accuse me of cheating? Sanjana, I didn't say that. The language function of I didn't say that. The options are to protest, to complain, to appeal, and to warn. Yes. I hope this session is helping you. All right. So my answer is to protest. Next conversation. Khushi, honey, may I borrow your umbrella? Honey said, I'm sorry, I can't lend it to you. Why don't you borrow one from Aditya? What is the language function of why don't you borrow one from Aditya? The options are to suggest, to remind, to encourage, to advise. You choose your answer. Yes, the correct answer is to suggest. Komal, hello Raju, happy birthday to you. Raju, thank you. The language function of hello Raju, happy birthday. To wish, to request, to welcome, to inform. I think you are ready with your answer. This is very easy one. The correct answer is to wish. Next conversation. Gopal. Krishna, let's join cricket team. Krishna replied, no, I will never join. The language function of I will never join. The options: to warn, to regret, to refuse, to apologize. You choose your answer. Alright, I think you are ready with your option. My option is to refuse. Let's go to next conversation. Jeevan, should I take part in the competition? Chandana, of course you should. What is the language function of course you should? The options are to encourage, to remind, to suggest, to appeal. Yes, get ready with your option. Well, my option is to encourage.